Hello, tech lovers. I welcome you to my channel. This is Tech with Bumi, and are you hearing my voice for the first time or watching this video from me for the first time? Kindly subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to comment in the comment section because I love reading comments. Okay, so our today's topic is how to target people to buy when we're running our ad. But before I continue, if you love what I'm doing, I want you to tag me on your Instagram. If you want to feature on my YouTube channel, you tag me, you tag any of my videos on your Instagram story, and I'm going to feature your business, or I give you a shout out in my next video. So if that's what you want, you can continue watching and watch this video to the end, and you'll see the chat out video, and please you patronize them at the end. So back to the main topic of today. Our topic today is a lot of people run ads and they don't know how to run their ads. I'm not going to teach us how to run our ad, but I'm going to be telling us how to target the rich people, the Owambe people, so that when you run the ad, definitely they will always come to your website to purchase from you, no matter the adverts you run. So if this connotes to what you want, why not watch till the end, and let's dive into the main topic of today. Thank you. So once again, I welcome you to my channel. My name is TechwithBunmi. I'm a digital marketing consultant. If you need any of my services, do not hesitate to click the description and book a section with me. And don't forget to drop your comment also regarding any question you have concerning ad management or how to advertise on social media. So now I'm going to create an ad. So we have the awareness, we have the traffic, we have the engagement, we have the lead, and we have the app promo and sales. Okay, but awareness, I don't want to do awareness, and I don't want traffic on my website. I want engagement. You see, engagement, get more messages, videos, view, post, and like an event responses. So I go to lead, collect leads from collect leads for your brand, for your business or brand. So I want sales because I want conversion. I want people to find to purchase my product and services, which is good for conversion, catalog sales, and messages. Ego. That's the main thing of an advert. So I click continue, and we have so now you get to this place. We have three items here, which the first one is a campaign, the second one is a ad set, and the last one, which is the new sales ad, is the ad itself. Okay, so now we need to give it a name. We need to give our campaign a name. I'm going to name this Booms's Lifestyle. If you don't know, Booms's Lifestyle, yeah, in your home. I'm going to name this beauty Booms's Lifestyle. Then I'm going to So we're not going to be focusing on this campaign name. So I'll click on next. Then I'm going to name my AdSense name as Bumsi's Lifestyle too. Bumsi's Lifestyle. Bumsi's Lifestyle is a printing website where we sell digital wall art and some print on demand wares. So the website link will be in the description box. You can check it out to patronize us. Okay, Bumsi's Lifestyle. So we have a pixel. If you want me to do a video on Facebook pixel, then you comment below. That's another tutorial on its own. So we want conversion on our websites. Okay, app, website, and app. If you have an app, web messenger, WhatsApp, but I want it on my website. And this is, you choose your events. You choose your events. I want purchase. Okay, I want them to purchase. So we'll stroke down. These are our audiences. And we'll come to detail targeting. So as I said, I'm not teaching us how to create an ad, but I just want to teach us how to target people while creating an ad. How to look for all these rich people that when they tap on your website or any of your call to action, they're going to buy whatever thing you're going to check. So now you go towards down and you check your detail target. Okay, you check your detail target, then you click on luxury. When things are luxury, they are good things. Okay, so we look for luxury goods. And we check for suggestions. It's giving us expensive taste, first class, luxury resorts, high network interest, business class, rich people, frequent international travelers. We have owners and CEOs, engaged shoppers. We have shopping, online shopping, directors, founder, business owners, small business owners, entrepreneurship. So you check like that. You look for top people that when they engage on your website, they have no choice than to buy. Okay? So we can choose chairman, directors for business, people that goes on own business owners, business opportunity co-owners, So there's no way, I think this is okay. So there's no way, this is where people we make a mistake, okay? There's no way we can target these old people. We need to narrow our audience, okay? So how much are you spending that you want to target 22 million people, 22 million to 26 million people? And it says here that it's fairly broad, okay? That is very, very, so now we're going to do something like this. We want to define it, and we put engaged shoppers. And another thing you can do to define your the people that comes to your website is by creating different ad sets, and you come to this place, you duplicate, you divide them into different categories, you duplicate them. That one too is going to work, okay? And now that we've defined it, you can see that it has reduced to 7.1. But then I have some that I want to remove from here, like luxury resorts. I'm not interested in luxury resorts. And yeah, I think that's all. I can leave it like this if I want. Yeah, I can leave it like this. So now we go to, so you now check your call to action. You check your call to action properly. You check your call to action properly. If you want them to go to your website, anywhere you want them, you click on it. And let's go to placements. I hope you're enjoying these tutorials. Why not like? So now I love to do manual placements, okay, than automatic placement. You can decide to do automatic placement. That is, Facebook is going to spread your adverts everywhere, but I want to be in control of my adverts. I want to know where it's actually coming from and engaging to. So I will do manual engagement. Okay. So now I just want to concentrate on Facebook and Instagram. So I'm going to remove audience network. I'm going to remove, I'm going to come to this field. I'm going to remove marketplace. I don't have a video. If I have a video, I might put a video. I will remove video. I will remove the right column. You can add your shop, and because a lot of people have shop here where I am, depending on your location, I can add Instagram shop. I'm going to remove Facebook group. Okay. If I have, I'm going to leave stories. I'm going to remove messenger stories. If I have Instagram reels, I'm going to add reels. I'm going to remove in streams because I'm not interested. I'm going to remove reels overlay. Maybe if I have reels I can put, I'll remove reels overlay. I don't want to search. People might not get visible for searching. I'm doing the hard for people to know me, right? So I will remove search. I'm going to remove in article. I'm going to remove in article. So apps and sites. I think this is new. I'm going to add this to it. So basically, this is how to target your people, and we go to the next stage, which is not part of our tutorials. So if you have questions, comment below. like this video, and this is how to target the reach on Facebook. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye for now. If you want me to give you a shout out for your business, all you need to do is leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel, and post a video on Instagram, on your Instagram story, and don't forget to tag me. Okay, so today's business that I will be showing is, check out this brand on Instagram and patronize them. Let them know you're from Tech with Bumi. I'm going to put their link in the description box.